Students, here we have a problem. Here we have to find the missing frequencies. Now I will read out this problem. The mean of the following frequency table is 50, but the frequencies F1 and F2 in classes 20 to 40 and 60 to 80 respectively are not known, means missing. Find the frequencies. Given the sum of the frequencies is 120. Now class interval frequency. Class interval 0 to 20, 17, 20 to 40, F1 40 to 60, 32, 60 to 80, F2 80 to 100, that is 19. Here we have to find the missing frequencies F1 and F2, right? Now let us do this. Now let us find a solution for this problem. Class interval is written 0 to 20, frequencies Fi 17, 20 to 40, F1 40 to 60, 32 and 60 to 80, F2 and 80 to 100, 19. Now if you add 17, 32 and 19, you will get 62. And you have to add F1 and F2 also. So F1 plus F2 plus 68 is the sum of all frequencies, that is N. Means summation Fi means F1 plus F2 plus 68. Now let us find midpoint of the class intervals 0 to 20, that is 10. How could you find out? 0 plus 20, that is 20, 20 by 2, that is 10. Now 20 to 40, 20 to 40, 40 plus 20, 60, 60 by 2 is 30, 30. And 40 to 60, 100, 100 by 2, 50. Now 80 to 60, 80 plus 60, 140, 140 divided by 2, that is 70. 180 divided by 2, that is 90. Now in the same way we have to find Fi xi by multiplying 10 this column, xi column and Fi column. 17 into 10, it gives us 170. 30 into F1, that is 30 F1. 50 into 32, 50 into 32 means 50 into 32. Let us multiply 2, 0, 10, 0, 15, 0, 6, 1, 1600. So 1600. 1600. Now 70 into F2, that is 70 F2. Next, again we have to multiply these two numbers 90 and 19. How? 19 into 90, 0, 9 nines are 81, 8 to carry, 9 ones are 9, 9 8 1 7. So 1710. Now if you add three numbers, you will get how much? 0 0 0 0 here. I will write in the side, and then 7, this 7 6 and 7 7 and 0, 7 and 0 7 itself. I will write in a proper order. 170, then 1600, and then 1710. Now it is clear. Now 0 7 7 1 8 and 7 8 40 4, and then 3 3480, 3480, For this, what we have to add further, that is 30 F1 plus 70 F2. So summation Fi xi is equal to 30 F1 plus 70 F2 plus 3480. Now these are the results. Now first of all we have to find the mean. The formula for mean is summation Fi xi divided by n. Now we have here summation f1 plus f2 plus 68. So summation, here we have to solve this f1 plus f2 plus totally 120, isn't it? This it is given that it is given here it is given in the question that the sum of the frequency is 120. Sum of the frequency is 120. So here we have to work out here what f1 plus f2 plus 68 is equal to 120. Now we will find f1 plus f2 is equal to 120 minus 68. Now we have to carry this 68 to this side and we will get f1 plus f2 is equal to it is 52. 120 minus 68, 52. So let us let it be 1. Now we got the first equation f1 plus f2 is equal to 150. 52. Now again we have to use another formula, that is the formula for mean. Mean what? Summation Fi xi divided by n, that is equal to mean. We know that. So what is the mean here? Mean of the table is 50. That is given in question itself. So here we have to substitute the value of this. Here we have found it. That is 30 F1 plus 70 F2 plus 3480 divided by what? The given sum of the frequency is 120. 120 is equal to the mean is 50. That is also given in the question itself. So we have to multiply this. Now 30 F1 plus 70 F2 plus what? Plus 3480 is equal to 50 into 120. 50 into 120. Now let us multiply 120 into 50. How much? 0, 6,000, isn't it? 6,000. So 30 F1 plus 70 F2 plus 3480 is equal to 6,000. So 30 F1 plus 70 F2 plus 3480 is equal to 6,000. We have to take this 3480 to this side and we will get the answer for 30 F1 plus 70 F2. Now 30 F1 plus 70 F2 is equal to 6,000 minus 3480. Now 6,000 minus 3480, how much we will get? That is 0. Now we should here what? 2, it is 5, 2. So 2520. So 30 F1 plus 70 F2 is equal to 2520, right? Now, we have to do something here. Yeah, there are 30 F1 and 70 F2. Let us remove 10 outside. Here 3 F1 plus 7 F2 is equal to 2520. Now divide it by 10. We will get 3 F1 plus 7 F2 is equal to how much? 252. Now this is equation number 2. Equation number 2. Now previously we had equation number 1. What is that? So let us write both the equation together here. 3F1 plus 7F2 is equal to 252, and F1 plus F2 is equal to what? Is equal to 52. That is the first equation. Here we have to solve these two equations. This is equation number 2 and equation number 1. Let us multiply equation number 1 with 3. What happens? Let us write the first equation as it is. 3F1 plus 7F2 is equal to 252. Now here 3 into F1, 3F1 plus 3F2 is equal to 52 into 3. 3 2s are 6 and 1 5. So now let us subtract this to minus. Now it's cancelled. Here we got 4F2 is equal to what? 4F2 is equal to 96, isn't it? How? 12 minus 6, that is 6, and 14 minus, that is 9. 96, right? So F2 is equal to what? 96 divided by 4. Now 96 divided by 4 is how much? 4. 4 2s are 8. Now 1 6 4 4s are 16. 0. Now F2 is equal to what? 24. We got one value, F2. What is the other value? That's F1. Again we have to do the same thing. Here we have a formula, that is what? F1 plus F2 is equal to 52. Is this equation. In this equation we have to substitute the value of F2, that is F1 plus F2 is equal to 52. So F1 we don't know. F1 plus F2 is 24 is equal to 52. Now let us carry this 24 this side. So F1 is equal to 52 minus 24. 52 minus 24, how much? So 52 minus 24, that is 8, 28. So F1 is equal to 28. So we got two values, both the values, that is F1 and F2. So F1 is equal to 28 and F2 is equal to 24 respectively. These are the answers for the frequencies.